We offer 3 editing modes in both Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements. Quick Edit to do common edits as crop, remove red eye, remove objects, add text and effects, and do color, lighting, and auto adjustments to take the guesswork out of the process. Guided edits are unique to the Elements product and make it easy to get started by stepping you through the process of editing and creating. There are 61 guided edits in Photoshop Elements and 26 in Premiere Elements. Expert Edit gives you more precise control to make selection and transform your photos and videos. You can also create multimedia slideshows and photo collages. And there is an organizer, so you can easily find the photos and videos you want. With each release, we continue to automate the process to make it as easy as possible for consumers to get the results they want. Elements 2023 delivers even more AI-powered features to automate photo and video editing and make it faster and easier. It offers guidance on every step of the way to help you make your creations distinctive and personalized. And it adds a new photo animation feature to help you take your creations to the next level. Elements 2023 is also the first step in providing a lighter, faster, more connected experience that can span across multiple devices.